Collaborating with other content creators on the same project can be tricky at times. Since you are sharing the same data templates, any changes you make will be seen and felt by all creators. Modifying fields and deleting would be risky operations since you might disrupt other content authors' work. This is why Penzle comes with inbuilt version control in form of environments. When we created our blog project, a default main environment was automatically created for us, and all the changes we did so far were saved on this environment. If we want to collaborate with other content authors on the same project, best approach would be to create another environment, let's call it development, that we can use to experiment with new templates and content without corrupting our main body of work and articles we have already created. In fact, we recommend you always use this approach, even if you are the only person working on the project. There are no drawbacks to having at least 2 environments set up at all times. Use one as a sandbox to test and work on improving your project with workflows, making new data templates and new content. The other environment will be used for production, with finished and polished content ready to be presented on your website. Let's take a look how multiple environments change our CMS working routine. First, let's navigate to Settings and then Projects and select our project. Then, select the environment settings and click the button Create a new environment. Our new environment will be Development. We will create it from our main environment to preserve all current content. Let's apply changes to finish the creation process. Pay attention to the project selection menu. Now it displays the environment we are currently working on below the selected project. To change it, we can always click on the menu, select the project, and then switch to another environment. Let's extend our article template with banner by adding a media picker component to it. Starting node will be the articles folder we have previously created in the media library. We can now add a banner to any of our existing articles. Navigate to Content Editor and choose an article. Upload or pick an existing image to add a banner to an existing article. Don't forget to save our changes. All the changes we did are only related to the development environment. If we select the main environment and choose the same article, we can see that it does not have the banner field. This means that we can use the development environment as a sandbox for testing and sync content between environments when testing is finished and we are satisfied with our final outcome. First, let's make sure we are on the development environment. Then, select the content item we wish to sync using the More Actions Sync option, and then choose Main Environment. This is because we want the article with the banner located on development environment to also be present on our main environment. If we try to do that right now, we will get a warning that we need to sync the template first. Select More Actions, go to Template. When on Template screen, once again select More Actions and then Sync, choose Main Environment and finish the sync environment process. Now all that is left is to sync the banner image and the updated article. To verify our changes, we just switch to main environment and make sure that article is properly updated.